welcome to your channel Simplified Home DIY. In our today's video, we are going to make a beautiful organizer using an old cardboard box. This organizer is made using an old shopping bag and an old pillow cover, so it is fully of recycled material. Please do follow the instructions given below in the video. Without further ado, let's begin the video. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for our future videos. I believe in the saying, creativity is making marvelous out of discarded. If you like this idea, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do comment below and let me know if you have any doubts. I will try to answer all your queries. Waste isn't waste until we waste it. I hope